I'm doing the last few of these, and we're gonna open her up. Here we go, the unboxing. Like I said, it's very well packaged, and okay guys, so I've got all the components out that it came with. I'm going to have to contact Peopoly because for some reason what I read on the website is it came with resin for the vat, but from what I can see in this crate there is no resin. But it came with everything else I need. I have all the screws and bolts and parts. I've got the build platform there. We've got the scrapers. It came with 2 different kinds of scrapers, some filters, an extra sheet of film, some gloves, and all the nuts and bolts to attach it. So stay tuned and we'll be hooking her all up and firing her on. Alright, so now we've got to go in and raise our build plate. Try and keep your vat as debris free as you can, as well as your build plate. I gotta put a build plate in and calibrate this bad boy. They said it was leveled at the factory, so all we should have to do is get this piece of paper out here. That should be what we need to calibrate it. Alright guys, so this is one of the first videos for my channel. So here is the Peopoly in action. I don't know how you pronounce it. Peopoly. It's printing its test print. Stay tuned to find out how she does. And my official review of the whole thing. It's got 39 minutes left. I won't make you wait that long. Alright, stay tuned. I'll tune back in here in a bit for some more. Thanks, bye. Alright guys, I've got the Peopoly Phenom printing its first test print. We'll see how it goes. It says it's going to be about 3 hours and 26 minutes to do it. So,